Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be just a quick video on the Mondeo I have here. I'll just show you. Doing a few little jobs on it, and I noticed, well, my wife actually noticed that this on the passenger side, this side marker here, it's full of water, so it is. So it's obviously cracked or leaking or got a slap. I see there's a bit of a scraping along there, so it must have got a tip or something or clipped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change them out. But when I was looking online to get a new replacement set, I found these sequential ones, and I said I'd give them a try. They were 20 or 25 euro on Amazon. So I said, sure, what have I got to lose? I'll try them on it anyway, and we'll see what they look like. They look nice. I've seen them on other cars as well. Now, what I have noticed is here on the mirror, if we push it down, it's going to be impossible to see with the light, but just where my finger is here and my other finger, there's a little clips inside there, so you just need a screwdriver or something small just to go in and push down on the clips, and you should be able to push forward then and take this cap off. So we should be able to take this off, and then we can remove the light and take this out in the bulb, and yeah, let me get out into the light. So this part here just pops in where the bulb was, and in theory should work. So I'll get set up in the tripod and we'll give it a go and see how we get on. Now, I'm pretty sure you're not going to see much on the camera because for some strange reason in Ireland we're having an Indian summer in the middle of September. It's like 22 or 3 degrees. But we'll try our best. So there's a clip just in here. You can see where I'm putting in the... So if I can... There you go. There's one part. If I can get into the second one. There we go. So if I can pull this around here. See, so just tilt it back. So we'll put that aside now, and then we'll look at clipping out the... I'm nearly sure it just... You kind of just have to put a bit of pressure in here and pull it off. There's a clip in the back. Now I suppose you can get it from... I wonder, can I get it from... It's impossible to see with the light, or lack of. No, sure, what have I got to lose? It needs replaced anyway, so I'll just pop it. There you go. So I'm not sure if you can see that. So what we need to do next is unplug this, plug the bulb out. So get that out of my way. So I'll just take the plastic off. And as far as I know, this just plugs in here. Oh, that's very loose. Let's see, can I give the pins a bit of a persuasion? That was very, very loose. I didn't like the feel of that now at all. Now, so before I go any further with buttoning it up, I'll just see now with the key if I have it somewhere. Nothing happening there. I'll just double check 1 second now. Okay, we have nothing from this side here now. Wonder if I can wiggle it out a bit. Here we go. Okay, so I would have thought we would have had a piece of just have a look here now. No. Okay, so I'll try and get this in here. This sits in here. This clips in there. Oh, there you go. Simple as that. So just before I button it up again, I just want to make sure it is working. Okay. So we'll get the cap on again now. So here you have two little tabs on the bottom, and they go in here. You can see this is all broken actually, so somebody has been in here before and it wasn't me. So it was, and the other tab goes here. Okay. Seems to be it there now. Just take you off the tripod. Okay. So that's just a quick video on changing out these lights here. The, what you call them, side markers, wing mirror markers. So they're nice and smooth actually. They actually look really well. Don't know if you can see from a distance there. They blend in nice with the bottom of the mirror. The bottom of the mirror obviously is black in that. So we'll see how they go. I'll take a clip of them at night as well when they're going, so you'll see how bright they are and how they work. I'll try and find the link again on Amazon and I'll post it in the description. Now that's it there in the evening light. Okay folks, that was just a short video on replacing the wing mirror indicators and upgrading them to the sequential lights. So if you found this video interesting, please give us a like and subscribe and share. See you on the next one.